Welcome back to the channel, OG Marketing guys. You're looking for a data annotation job you can actually go on to doing to earn money online even as a beginner right now. Why not just simply try out these platforms I'm about to reveal to you in this video right now. The first platform right here is called the Nevo.ai. As you can see on the platform, all you actually need to do is to join Nevo and contribute to the smarter AI world to start earning money online. All you can actually do right now is to actually become a data annotator right here on this platform, as they are actually looking for people to become data annotators on the platform. You can easily simply sign up to the platform, do simple tasks as you can see right now, and get paid to help shape the future. All you actually need to do is to sign up, do simple tasks, get paid, and you can get your payments in PayPal right now or via PayPal right here. That's absolutely quite cool right now, and you can see that such jobs could actually involve you tagging images, to annotate text right there, to also transform text into audio, and you can make money with that right now. What you need to do is to actually be a human, to have some spare time and actually have a PayPal account to actually go on to earning some cool cash with the platform. And you can see some of the companies that will actually help right here is actually Yahoo, the MasterCard, and some other cool and amazing companies and platforms out there. So you can see from right here called the clickworker.com. This is also an amazing platform that you can even go on to working as a data annotator. As you can see, you can make your AI system smarter with high quality, multifaceted AI training. Scrolling through guys, you can actually go on to seeing more details about the platform right here and how you can actually go on to earning money on the platform right now. So you just need to go on to signing up for the platform and actually go on to doing some cool tasks right now on the platform. As you can see, you can earn money as a click worker right now. If you do click on that, it's going to take you to the page where you can make money from anywhere and anytime right now. As you can see, people are happier if they are more financially independent. We can help you achieve this. Join our strong community and earn money easily and safely from anywhere you actually do want. Now you can see what's important to them right there is to actually for you to be part of the community, work with them and shape the future, and you can do it without they can't actually do it without you. You can see right now that such tasks actually involve high-end technology, or such tasks right here, micro taxing made for you right now, and you can actually earn money with micro taxing. You can see some of the payment plan or payment method that you can use to withdraw your money right now, such as Pioneer, SEPA, PayPal, and some other cool and amazing platform right now. So that's absolutely quite cool. You just need to go on to sign up to the platform and utilize this platform to make some cool cash as a data annotator. Also, you could also try out Fiverr right now. Go on to offering the data annotator gig, and you can see that a lot of people are also doing that on the platform. About 462 services are available on this platform. You can see people are actually charging about $5 for such kind of service. Some people do go on to charging up to $10 right now, and you can see right here that for this particular person, he has made at least 74 sales because he has actually gotten about 74 reviews right now. So you can see the person is actually making some cool cash right there just by becoming a data annotator on such platforms right now, or offering such kinds of gigs on platforms such as this. So you can go on to doing same thing and similar thing to earn money right now. You could also utilize other freelancing platforms out there like Upwork right now, freelancers.com, truelancers.com, or as many freelancing platforms as you can for this same strategy. Also, you can try this other platform called the UHRS right now, and this platform right here, which is called the UHRS, which stands for the Human or the Universal Human Relevance System, is a crowdsourcing platform that supports data labeling for various AI scenarios. The vendor partners connect us with people who we refer to as judges to provide data labeling for us at scale. All UHRS judges are under NDA, so your data is always secure. And you can see right now, you just need to go on to doing the image annotation, search relevance, video annotation, speech transcription, and a lot more cool stuff right here, such as text annotation, product testing, and others to make money on the platform right now. So it is also easy to go on to making money on this platform called UHRS. Also, you could check out the platform called Taloka.ai. This is also a cool platform for data annotators right here, as you can actually come onto the platform and go on to doing simple tasks right here, such as outline objects, search for information, taking photos, rating search results, moderate content, describe audio, categorize content, compare images, take surveys, recording voice, check chatbot answers, and verify locations and make some cool cash right now. So basically that's how simple this actually works. You just need to go on to registering for the platform and do simple tasks like these ones as you can see on the screen right now. So do some simple tasks and actually go on to earning money on the platform. So you can actually see some recently asked questions or frequently asked questions on the platform that you can just simply go on to selecting, and you can actually go on to getting cool and amazing answers for each questions right here on the platform right now. So all these right here are not actually a get quick rich scheme. You just need to be concentrated to earn some passive income on such kinds of platforms such as this. You would also take advantage of the platform called remotax.com. This is also a cool platform to actually go on to completing some cool offers. As you can see right now, this platform claims they actually have a total taxers of about 240,000 plus people. They actually gone on to paying about $15 million right here in total earnings, and for people over 90 plus countries out there. So you can actually see right here that you could actually go to doing tax to get paid, and it is quite simple right there. And tax involves just simply labeling images to transcribing audio and earn money completing some simple tasks right there. That's how easy this actually is. Sign up, do simple tasks, earn money on such platforms, and you can just simply go into leveraging the platform right here called the Remote Tax. You could also try this platform called the premise.com. This is also a cool platform to earn money right here. As you can see, you could share your knowledge and insight and keep business and communities better, to make better decisions. You can actually check out the premise offers right now and go on to making money on the platform also. So if you do go on to scrolling through, you'll be able to see more details about the platform and how you can actually make money with the platform right here. So why not just simply check out all the platforms I actually showed you right now if you're actually interested in working as a data annotator to make money online. Now, if the video added some value to you, don't forget to hit the like button to the video and make sure you're subscribed to my channel and your notification bell is always turned on all, so as to get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you boost your income online, because I usually create videos on ways to make money online. You can check out such videos on my channel right here. There are a lot of cool and amazing strategies that you can actually utilize to make a lot of income online, so try them out right there. So thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.